Destination Trucker. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and if you like this video, don't forget, folks, give it that thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm. With further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, folks, so we just come out to the car here, and what the hell is this?
Mommy put glue in there.
Okay, alright, so we just come out to the car, and we'll fire it up here right quick. See if it'll
Drive?
fire up. Kind of warm out today, so that's good. She fired right up.
I don't know what I'm doing. Driving it?
No, we're not driving it. We're gonna sit in it for a sec. Okay, folks, so anyways, let's get in the car here for a sec. Sit here. We'll put the key in her. That way I can give her a little gas. See how much gas I got.
But I want you to drive it, Dad.
You want me to drive it? Yeah. Soon enough, buddy. Soon enough, we'll be able to drive her.
But I want music.
No, we can't put that on with the viewers right now, because that's copyright, son. We can't be copyrighting music.
But what's that to do?
What?
That's to make it go straight or back.
Yeah, that's to make it go in drive or reverse or whatever. The neighbors again, folks, they put the garbage in my driveway, and it was literally right across the front of my driveway. So I took all their garbage bags and I threw them over there. It's not my problem. I'll tell you right now, if I see it again, I'm gonna lose it. Like literally, I'm gonna tell them, if you can't put your garbage on your own side, right? I'm gonna take the garbage, I'm gonna tear it open and throw it in your backyard. Like, stop putting the garbage on my side of the driveway. Like, you know, like, I understand, like, you know, you're coming out, you're putting the garbage out, but put it on your own side. Make a spot for you to put it. Do not put it in my driveway. I know I don't use it, but it's still not the point, you know, like, you as the viewers, you probably look at people, do you go to your neighbor's house and throw your garbage in their pile, or, you know, like, you don't do that, right? It's just, it's not nice, it's rude, disrespectful. So I threw their bags right over on their side, and, you know, if the garbage man comes, he picks it up. If he don't, he don't. But getting quarantined, I need to do something, folks. Like, I really, we got to go today. We got to go out. We got to get some toilet paper. Hopefully we can find some. There's got to be some by now, because, Jesus, everybody must have got their toilet paper. I mean, everybody's on lockdown now, so anybody that got it must got it now and be done with it. So we can get some, because we need some now. We're out now, so we got to go find some today. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, with everything going on, it's so hard to do anything. It's, you know, like, I know, it's so hard to do anything. Plus the weather is really playing a toll on this, for me to do anything. Like, I was thinking that the snow and ice and everything would be all gone by now, and we'd be good, and, you know, things would be better. But I don't know. I talked to the wife, and I said to her, you know, we should, if we had the fuel to do it, is hook to the camper and head for the country. If we're gonna be, you know, if we're gonna be, the world's gonna be shut down, I'd rather be in the country where I can play in the woods or something. You know, do something besides sit in the house and watch TV, right? Like, but anyways, we are. Yeah, the tires were stuck, buddy.
Daddy, go straight. That's funny. Go straight.
No, I was just moving the tires. They were stuck in the ice.
No, let's drive it.
But this car, folks, I haven't really been able to get to it that much to do anything I want to do to it, besides, you know, a couple little things. Like, I can't go start tearing that back apart for certain reasons. Well, one of the main reasons why I can't do it is because we got the Edmonton garbage trucks out. They're out today, so
What is that?
Dollar
truck.
Yeah.
Ring drop it out.
But sorry, what I was trying to say there was there's not much I can really do with the car, with the weather the way it is and everything the way it is, you know, like even if I started working on the car in this weather, you know, I gotta be able to button it back up. Well, I can't do that there because, well, one reason I don't have the part. I never bothered buying the part because of everything that was going on, and even if I bought the part, I still never got to the other place, and then, you know, and then we have to deal with this here situation with the world kind of shutting down. So, you know, it's like, where am I at right now with this? Well, I'm kind of in a situation where it's like, you know, we might as well just leave this parked and don't do anything right now, and we'll worry about it later.
Dad, you know you can push this down.
So anyways, with that said, let's go and get some toilet paper, hopefully.
What's the top?
All right, folks. So we just jumped in the truck here, and we're gonna head to the drive-through McDonald's, get some burgers. Kind of treat the kids something to do to get out of the house. Plus, we got to go get that toilet paper. Hopefully, we can find some today. Cause man, oh man, this is, you know, like, we need some toilet paper. So anybody out there that already got 50 rolls or so, you're good. Unless you plan on having a diarrhea, you're good. For us that you know, don't have the shits, or we need some, folks. So all right, folks. So we got some McDonald's there, and we got the young fella back there. He's eating. We are on our way here now to get some TP, but as we look at this whole situation, man, there's not a lot of people out. Like, it's so friggin' crazy. Like, and gas, the price of gas right now, folks, holy jeez, man, it is cheap. 59 cents. I haven't seen it that cheap in I don't know how many years. Like 59 cents a liter. That is crazy. That is crazy cheap. But the reason it's so cheap is because nobody's buying gas, because nobody's going anywhere, is because there's so many diseases and stuff. So where can they go? It's crazy.
We were in Walmart, right?
No.
Here we are. We're gonna pull up the Walmart here.
We were in Walmart when we are not eating anything, right?
No.
Okay.
One person from a family goes in.
This Walmart isn't never really that busy, so I mean, looking at it today,
But we can do
it looks
Walmart,
basically
Mom.
mostly
Mommy, remember we can do in Walmart?
basically the same as it always does, really.
That was
Don't look really much different.
Oh yeah.
So, anyways, with that said, wife's gonna go in right quick and grab some TP.
I doubt I am.
This is what I want.
So I'm gonna back in right there because I don't care. We're picking up toilet paper and that's it. So, if someone got something to say about it, you know what they can do. All right, folks. So we just got out of Walmart. We're just leaving Walmart. They did not have no toilet paper, so we are gonna have to go to the next spot. We got some toilet paper. Superstore, is it Superstore?
They're out now.
They're out now.
I
Superstore
checked
is out now, but we got some toilet paper. How many rolls we got?
2.
Yeah, we got 2 things of it.
So we got the last rolls.
The checkout walked around, they were out.
Yeah, so they're out. So we got the last 2. Well, not quite. Someone else came after you and got the last 2, but we got 2 anyways, the last 2. So we get to wipe our bum for another 2 weeks. All right, folks, so we made it back home. We got some toilet paper, which is a bonus, especially at this time, with everything going on and that. But unfortunately, my dogs decided to do something that really got me ticked off. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see because of the brightness, but look at my blind. They tore my goddamn blind. Anyways, folks, I'm not going to stay on anymore. I'm trying to create content, but it is hard to do being locked up in the house and not being able to do much. With the price of gas right now, I should be just out driving around and doing different things. I can't wait until the weather gets warmer so I can be out there working on the car. But right now, it's just not warm enough. Like, I got all that snow. I don't want to get on the ground, change the oil in the snow. I'd rather do it where I can put my jack under, put my jack stands under there. Where I got a solid ground, not ice that could fall and the jack could fall out of place and the car can land on me. So with that said, if you like this video, give it that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Destination Trucker out.